Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 29th of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Filecoin today, give you all the price prediction in the market for this particular cryptocurrency. You guys can all see off of our price chart that we did do a price prediction in Filecoin all the way back on October the 23rd, 2023. Looking for the price to go up. It did just that. It exceeded our ultimate TP price back in the beginning of November. You guys can see it's now up at $6 and a penny. Very good call. You guys were able to ride that all the way up to where price currently resides in Filecoin. I want to tell you all congratulations, because that profit now sits at around 73%. Now, a lot of people cannot grab all of that in one swipe. Like for us, we would have garnished maybe around 10%. But as we continue to see the market trade and we saw that the market was still gaining momentum and strength, we would have rolled some of this as well to the upside in price. So just congratulations to you, was able to ride that whole move to the upside. Now that is over. Let's go ahead and clean up this chart real quick, because the current price action in the market in Filecoin obviously is trending bullish. Okay, so we're trending to the upside into the market in Filecoin, and at some point we're going to hit a top. At some point the market's going to hit an apex, and we will begin to see the market in Filecoin begin to go lower. And here's this first area that we may see that selling pressure increase in Filecoin. Okay, right around here will be that first area that we could possibly see the market in Filecoin hit some resistance. Closely in tow to that area would be right around here. Okay, so we're pretty close to where this selling zone, where these selling zones are into the market in Filecoin. So we need to be a little bit more cautious, prepared to see some increased volatility to the downside in Filecoin. But obviously, until this trend is broken, we need to anticipate that the market is going to continue to go higher. Okay, so seeing that price is around $6, slightly below this first sell zone up here at the top of the chart, yeah, you kind of want to be cautious. Looking at this on the 2-day time frame into the market in Filecoin, this 2-day price bar kind of resembles that the market buyers will have enough momentum to at least try to break through this bottom sell zone, maybe even the top portion sell zone as well. Here it is on the 3-day chart. You guys can see that sellers currently is hitting the market there. Here it is on the 5, pretty much identical to the 3-day chart. Here's Filecoin on the weekly chart. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. Here's Filecoin on the 3, 5 weeks, and the monthly. Okay, so I really want us to determine on a shorter time frame whether or not those buyers will be able to break through these sell zones up here at the top of the chart. If that's the case, cool, fine. We anticipate that market's going to go lower. And currently, when I see this on the hourly chart in Filecoin, we can determine and also see where buyers are hitting the price. Okay, so this is where buyers currently hit the market in Filecoin. They're there. They are also here into the market in Filecoin. So as we anticipate some lower prices into the market in Filecoin, we definitely need to be prepared to see if those buyers are going to hit the market here at these zones. Here's another area right here. Okay. So when you look at these 1-hour bars right here, they don't look too bullish right now. They don't look too strong to where we can say, yeah, look like the market's going to try to continue to go higher in price. Not right now, which is why I pinpointed these buy zones down here at the bottom of the chart, so you can see, okay, where will these buyers step back into the market and try to keep the market from falling further? To me, I think it's one of these 3 zones here in Filecoin. The 3-hour chart doesn't look bearish. I'm saying it doesn't look bullish right now. Here it is on the 7-hour chart, 330-minute chart as well. So I think we may continue to see the market in Filecoin continue to go lower, at least for a little bit, and hopefully they could come through, the buyers, and keep the market from falling any lower than like $5.80, no lower than $5.50. So I think we're going to see the price in the Filecoin to continue to go lower in this short-term time frame. And as we see that happen, we will need to see the market in Filecoin try to find the buyers at one of these 3 zones. Okay, so here it is, 4 minutes into the video. That is my idea. That's why I think the price in Filecoin is trying to do. And all in all, the market is still bullish on the daily chart though. Okay, so it's kind of like a timing aspect on where would you want to come in and buy this currency. Do you want to buy it up here at the high to where we're seeing these sell zones, or would you want to come down here, one of these buy zones at the bottom, and try to get picked up here into the market in Filecoin? So let me do this. We're going to anticipate that the market in Filecoin is going to go lower. just slightly, not a lot. And we're pretty much going to wait until to see, okay, how strong will the market be? The sooner we hit one of these buy zones, or the first buy zone, the market goes higher, the stronger it is. If we don't see the market in Filecoin hold this first buy zone, it comes all the way down here to this third one at 550, then the market is definitely still weak. Okay, and we may see it go a lot lower in price. So this is my price prediction right here into the market of Filecoin. We may have to extend it a little bit lower, down to the low that occurred here on this day, December the 26th, 2023. Okay, now as long as we see Filecoin trade below these two sell zones, we have the idea that the price is weaker than it is giving us strength right now. So real simple, easy. Let's see how the market plays this out over the next day or so. Like I said, this is going to be a short-term idea. I want to see how soon the buyers will hit the market. If they don't hit it, then the price action in Filecoin is going to continue to go lower in price and maybe even test this trend line. Now, I don't see that currently on the charts, but just be prepared for anything because the cryptocurrency space can flip on you in a moment's notice. All right, so that's what I'm thinking right now. Filecoin, we'll see what happens. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.